Norfolk Southern 178. Thank you, Jack, from Rail Camp Productions for the heads up. What a good day. I caught a Heritage unit. That was the Virginia Heritage unit, and it was on Norfolk Southern 171. Now this is Norfolk Southern 178. It came from Irondale, Alabama, and it's going to Buffalo, New York. Also, I want to thank Rail Gamer Productions for the heads up on this. Rail Gamer Productions is a YouTube channel. He will fans in Plumsville House, so please go subscribe to him. Caught the Virginia Heritage unit! Wow, they got some meat. $178! Trains at Cooke Road, baby! Oh, sorry. Also, I want to thank Rail Gamer Productions for the heads up for that train that the Virginian Heritage unit was on. Because that was Norfolk Southern 70. The Virginian Heritage unit was on Norfolk Southern 171. Okay, bye, and that's all for now. This is my final train. And thank you, Rail Gamer Productions, for the heads up. Okay? Also, Norfolk Southern 178 came from Irondale, Irondale, Alabama, and it's going to Buffalo, New York. Okay, bye, and that's all for now.